Hello YouTube, this is the review of the MP5 Airsoft Pump Gun.
And here is the manual, but it's wrong.
Here's the gun. There's a speed loader right here. It's used for speed load the gun.
And here are some bullets.
The gun we take out here. We'll get it out of the case, right?
And you can take this thing out by clicking this button. And you put the bullets right in here. You could just try once with the speed loader.
Two seconds, we'll be back. Now we are back again. We have taken some bullets in the speed loader, and my friend is behind to put the bullets in the magazine.
And then it's done.
It's loaded. So now it should be.
Now let's go outside and try the gun.
Yeah. Here's how to load. It's there.
Pull it back.
Now it's and now it's ready for use.
Then beautiful. Try again. It's a perfect gun. And now let's try again. Beautiful. Now we'll try just to film the thing we're shooting at. And it can be pretty dangerous because it's shooting very hard. It doesn't look like a gun that's shooting that hard, but it is.
Out of ammo.
And that was how to use it without bullets.